In this video, I'm going to cover targeting and how it works within CLA. Every one of the modules in CLA are targetable. You are able to define a very specific audience for each piece of content that you set up within CLA. Your target users screen works exactly the same way throughout our software. I have gone into Content Library. I'm going to use the target users screen that is opened when you click this button to demonstrate. Everywhere within the tool where you are setting up content, when you are presented with the screen, it works the same way and it contains the same information. To start with, the screen itself is called the Active Directory selection. This is because in most of our environments, we interface with your Active Directory. Your Active Directory is created and maintained internally by your own IT departments, and it is the groups that are created, the users that are added, etc. within your own system. We interface with that and we pull that same groupings, same users, same memberships through into CLA. So the same naming that you are used to using when you were using email before would be available within our admin tool with the same membership. This is refreshed daily, so any changes that your IT department is making on your side, you will see it within CLA within the next day. So there are 4 different ways that you can target in CLA. You can target groups, you can target users, you can target machines, and you can target IP ranges. So groups would be set up within your Active Directory. They would be indicated in red within the targeting screen. By clicking onto the group name itself, you would see the user membership at the bottom of the screen, and you would be able to target that group of people. Users are indicated in blue. They are the user accounts that are set up within your environment. You are using this method able to target specific individuals as opposed to groups of people. Machines is a list of devices within your Active Directory. You are able to target specific content to specific devices. This is a fantastic way of targeting if you have an isolated PC in reception that is linked to an LCD or such. IP ranges can be reached as well. You are able to define a static IP range where you would be able to target content to any device that's plugged onto that IP range. The filter bar at the top of the screen allows you to narrow your search, because in most environments you are going to have far more groups than the few that you're seeing here. By typing in a part of the name, so for instance, I know that I have a group called Management Team. I can just type in a part of that name, click on the filter bar, and it will bring up anything, any group, any user, any machine, any IP range that contains those 4 letters. In this case, I can click on Management Team. I can add it to the targeting side of the screen. Therefore, this content that I am busy creating, as it stands, is going to be targeted to the group called Management Team, which includes 3 users: Jane Smith, Joe Soap, and myself, Leger. If I wanted to add another group, say for instance, I also would like this to go to, let's just have a look here, Head Office All Employees is the other group I want to target. I am able to see that that group has got far more users in. Again, it would be a lot more than what you're seeing here. Click on the group and add. If it is then also established that maybe somebody or some machine has been left out of these groups, maybe you would also like to target the machine in reception, you would then also be able to go and find that machine and add it to the targeting. Basically, you would be using a combination of groups, users, and machines and IP ranges to build up your targeting on the right-hand side of the screen to reflect the people that you are wanting to reach. Therefore, in this case, you're going to be reaching everybody at head office. So if you do have branches and things, they would be excluded. You are also reaching the management team and that one PC that is in reception. Once the right-hand side is a complete target audience, it's complete, those are the people that you're intending on reaching, you would then apply, and whatever content you are setting up would only be targeted to those specified people and machines.